Welcome to the unboxing of our John Deere 6090 Tier 4 engine overhaul kit. Our kit includes piston liner kits, main bearings, thrust bearings, connecting rod bearings, complete overhaul gasket set, connecting rod bushings, camshaft bushings, and connecting rod bolts. For this engine, Maxiforce offers two cylinder kit options. Both of the liners in the cylinder kits are made of nodular cast iron, and shims are also included with our liners. For this particular piston, we added a phosphite coating. Both of our pistons have a graphite coated skirts. Additional differences are oil drain holes. One has a round type shape and the other has a slot type shape. Another difference is on top of the pistons. One has a straight upper face, the other has a tapered upper face. Maxiforce offers additional spare parts for the 6090 engine, including turbochargers, oil pumps, water pumps, belt tensioners, fuel injectors, valve suction control guides, sensors, camshaft, crankshafts, and many more. Maxiforce offers all these parts with same-day shipping from our 3 distribution centers in the United States.